In the heart of southern Africa, a quiet nation made a thunderous move that shook Washington, Paris, and Brussels. Botswana, long seen as a stable Western ally, has just aligned itself with Captain Ibrahim Traoré, the revolutionary leader of Burkina Faso, and the world is watching in disbelief. Captain Traoré, a name that now echoes across African youth movements, has become a symbol of defiance, of resistance against what he calls neo-colonial chains. In Burkina Faso, he rose with fire and purpose, declaring the age of foreign dominance over Africa was over. And now, Botswana, a beacon of stability in southern Africa, has joined his cause. U.S. intelligence was caught off guard. European envoys scrambled for answers, because this isn't just an alliance, it's a message. Botswana is no longer sitting quietly in the shadows of global affairs. They're stepping forward. They're choosing Africa first. Sources suggest this alliance includes military cooperation, resource protection strategies, and a shared rejection of foreign-imposed policies. Together, Traoré and Botswana's leadership are calling for a Pan-African renaissance, an era where Africa's riches stay in Africa. The West, furious. Some have threatened sanctions, others have called it a dangerous path. But Botswana remains unmoved. As one official said, "We are no longer anyone's experiment. Africa will rise on its own terms." This isn't just politics, it's personal for millions across the continent. From Ouagadougou to Gaborone, youth are rising, armed not with weapons but with ideas, with belief, with bold leadership. They believe Africa's time is now. The alliance between Botswana and Captain Traoré is more than a headline, it's a spark, a declaration, and perhaps the beginning of a new chapter in the African story. As the world watches, one thing is clear: Africa is no longer asking for permission, it is demanding its place at the table, and this time, it brings its own chair. Subscribe for more powerful stories and global updates.